First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the location for engine air filter. Notice there are two clamps, one right here and the other one right there. We will open both of these clamps one by one. Now what we will do is we will grab the top cover from both sides, lift it towards upwards and then slide the top cover towards yourself. Just like that, and this way you can completely lift up the top cover. And also right there you can see the filter visible. We'll just grab the filter like that and pull it out. That is how we take out the filter. In my case, the filter is good, so I will be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, all you have to do is just make sure that this line side and this black side corner stays at the top and the other side like that stays at the bottom. Also, notice the top part has that pointer coming out. That pointer has to be slided in that positioning right there. I'm not too sure if you guys can see properly. Here, I'm trying to zoom in with a light. This is that position where that top side pointer is supposed to be slided in. We will make sure that pointer side stays at the top like that, and then we will punch in the filter back where we took it out from. We will make sure it is sitting in from all over the edges, and it seems like it is perfectly fine. Now we will go ahead and put back the top cover. We will go behind the top cover towards the battery side. The top cover from behind actually has two tabs, one right here and one right there. So these two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions, which is one right here and the other one right there. We will be making sure to put back the top cover by aligning those two positions. We'll grab the cover from top and then play around until those two tabs completely go in. There you notice both tabs are completely slided in. Now we'll come at the front, we will leave the top cover and put back both of those clamps. With both the clamps in place, with that we are done with the replacement of engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.